Today we're making the ultimate slow cooker goat stew, Dominican style, all in one pot. This dish right here, it's comfort food with attitude, slow cooked, rich, and layered with real flavor. We're talking caramelized sugar, tender goat, and that deep Dominican style sauce that makes you stop mid-bite and say, damn, that's good. We're starting with 5 pounds of bone-in goat meat. Rinse it with a little vinegar or lemon juice, then drain it well. Now let's season this bad boy. Kosher salt, black pepper, adobo, sazon, 2 big spoons of Kelvin sofrito. You'll find the link to my sofrito recipe in the video description. Plus Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, cumin, oregano, and minced garlic. Mix it all up. Coat every piece evenly and let it marinate for at least 2 hours or overnight if you've got the patience. That's how flavor builds its foundation. Now switch your slow cooker to sauté mode. Add a drizzle of oil and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Let that sugar melt and darken just until it hits that perfect amber color. Don't let it burn, just let it flirt with danger a little, then start adding your goat in batches, browning it 2 to 3 minutes per side. As you go, sprinkle in a little more sugar between batches to keep that caramel color consistent. That's the Dominican touch. Sweet, smoky depth that sets the tone for the whole dish. Once everything's browned, take the meat out and set it aside. In that same pot, toss in diced onions and diced green bell peppers. Let them cook for a few minutes, scraping the bottom to pull up all that flavor. Then pour in half a cup of red wine, Merlot if you've got it, and deglaze that pot. Let it bubble, scrape it clean, then stir in your tomato sauce and diced tomatoes and let it simmer for a minute until it all comes together. Add bay leaves, carrots, and potatoes. Pour in your beef broth. Now bring the goat back home. Give it a good stir and switch the cooker to slow cook mode. Low for 7 to 8 hours or high for 4 to 5. Just let it go until that goat turns melt in your mouth tender and the sauce is thick and glossy. When it's done, grab a spoon and skim some of that fat off the top. Goat's got plenty of richness, and this step keeps your stew balanced and clean. Once you've skimmed it, that's when you hit it with a little hot sauce to taste. That final touch wakes everything up and ties it together, savory, tangy, and perfect. Now taste it one more time, adjust if needed, and serve it up. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley and plate it with rice and gandules, boiled yuca, or crispy mashed plantain. This stew doesn't whisper flavor, it sings it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit kelvinskitchen.com for the full written recipe and more Dominican comfort food. And check the description for the link to my sofrito recipe, because that's where every real Dominican dish begins.